Okay, so today we're going to be making part C41. So you'd open up Inventor and you might see the part that you made yesterday. We made C6. Okay, and so we would go over here to New, click on this drop down menu, click on Part, and it'll take a few seconds for it to load up. Okay, so before we begin, we're going to save it to the correct spot, the correct name. So we're going to go up to File, okay, going to go up to Save, and you want to go all the way down to the bottom. It should have your student ID, which is your lunch number, okay, and it should have the letter U right there. If you don't have that, please let me know so I can put your name down to tell IT to fix your account, okay? And we're going to label this with the period, so I'm just going to put 0. Then your last name, space, and then C41. Okay. Click Save. Okay, I already have it, so I'm going to replace it. Okay, now we're going to begin our sketch. So it's going to be a regular 2D sketch. Now looking at our different planes and choosing which one to choose, okay, if we go to the Google Classroom, you'll see this new thing under CAD, 0 line C41. Okay, it's just to watch the video together as a class, which we're doing right now, and then you'll be making the same part on your own. And you can go back and rewatch if you need to while making it. So there's the drawing in here. Okay, so here's the drawing, and I'm going to start with my top view just because that has these two measurements on it. Okay, so going back to Inventor, I'm going to choose my XZ plane, and Inventor always does this. It's a known issue. Okay, the top is not the correct way around, so we're going to use this curved arrow, and that makes it the correct way up. Okay, so we're going to use our rectangle. Well, we're going to use our rectangle tool right here. Okay, we're going to start at our origin. So we're going to click once, and we're going to move out. And don't try to get it exact. Okay, anywhere even close to 1.5 by 1.5 is fine. So I'm going to click again to make my other corner, and then to dimension it, use our dimension tool. I'm going to dimension this edge, so try to click on the edge, not on the middle point. Okay, so the actual edge, go up a little bit, and then click again. That's going to be 1.5. This edge right here, go over, this will be 1.5. It's fully dimensioned. I'm going to finish my sketch, this big green check mark. Now remember, to zoom, there's this little piece of paper with a magnifying glass. That's the zoom all function. So it zooms so that everything is in view. And now we can extrude. So we're going to click on extrude. Okay, now, to figure out how far to extrude it, I'm going to go back to our drawing, and we can see, okay, it's 0.75 inches tall. So 0.75. Okay. Zoom out again. All right, and that is our part C41. I just have to make sure I save it one last time, so I can go to File, I can click Save. Or if I want to, I could just click on this icon right here, which is the Save icon. Okay. Either one is fine. And that's part C41.